Shout out to my
And Eddie's running.
I believe so.
Jay, can I get an Eddie on this one then?
Oh, my name.
I tried finding my missing homework and you said that you were gonna have it the next day. Very good.
Why didn't I do 20?
Oh, we're
Okay.
coming after school. I was gonna write out the post-it. Let me.
Wait, can I give you mine?
If someone has it done, let's do it this way. If someone has it done and you don't want to lose it for tomorrow, and you don't have any questions and everything's right, if you go in the back underneath the wisdom quote, wisdom is knowing the right path to take, integrity is taking it. The one tray without a folder is your guys'. The one tray without a folder is your guys'. You can put it in, and it can be ready to go tomorrow. So if you have it ready, thanks Ian for putting.
Is that the homework?
If people had it done today, just want to try to use it, they'll use it, and put it back there. It's a tray without a folder. I'm gonna scroll down now.
Yeah, I do it after I'm done.
I'm gonna scroll down now. So keep correcting. Make sure you got them all right first.
Oh!
And then Josh, you want your missing assignment, right?
Yes, I do. So sad. Yes, I do. And I do have a question. Oh.
I have my iPad ready, guys, to write down any quick questions that we have. We might not look at all of them, but let's look at two. If there are 2 questions, Josh, what do you got?
28 and 42.
28 and 42. Anybody else have one they want quick attention? All right. 28 and 42 sounds good to me. I'm leaving them ready as you guys finish checking. It shouldn't take more than a couple more seconds. 28 and 42. Which one?
The ones, all the easy ones.
Like the easy foiling one?
8 plus 3 times.
Yeah, as long as I would be very careful doing it with the more complicated ones. Like maybe double check those ones to make sure you got them. But otherwise, it's okay. Who are you next? Okay, 28 and 42?
Yes. Just one for me.
Yeah, no, it's totally fine. 28 is 8 minus 4x times 2x plus 6. Okay, those hang in there today, because today we're actually going to see one of the most common Algebra 1 mistakes that my older kids, not even older, but like my pre-cal and calculus, like the super advanced math kids, what we're going to learn today is something they should have learned better when they were in Algebra 1. It's one of their most common mistakes. And if you guys have looked up at the front of my room, the bad math kills, and wondered what that is all about, we're going to learn one of the mistakes that kills one of the animals. Yeah, it's really sad. We're going to learn one of the mistakes today. Now, hold on. 42, the puppy.
I know what he did for the seal.
No.
He didn't put the negative.
He didn't distribute the negative. Yeah, we actually have seen the seal one before, too.
Okay, well, it just looks really
Take a pic.
Nice.
Yeah.
A kick.
We're going to have a Chapter 7 quiz, which is the halfway point next week, and the Chapter 7 test will probably be the week after. All right, guys. You should have enough time to check. Let's go ahead and look at the 2 questions that Josh had, because they are pretty tricky. I won't mind. On number 28, first person who raises their hand will do your way of multiplying.
Back here.
Rob did say it before I saw anyone's hand. Rob, which way? Am I doing table, distributed? What am I doing? Yeah. Okay. Distributed. Did you do the foiling way, or did you do like the separate the 8 to 4x?
Yes.
The foil way? Okay.
What's 9 times 7?
Oh, 9 times 6? Oh, sorry. 15. I said 7. Sorry. All right, cool kids. Foil. Rob, what's first? 8 times 2x is?
8 times 2x is 6x.
Good. Outer, there's our smiley face. What's 8 times 6?
8?
Mhm.
Oh, J, 8 times 6. J.
Got it. Thanks, Kaylee.
I was confused.
Inner. Hey, wait. Hold on. Is the inner going to be positive or negative? You guys look at the nose? It's going to be a negative. Look at that 4. Has a negative with it, right? So it's going to be negative 8. Negative 8 who?
X squared.
x squared.
I'll take it.
And then last,
Can't you do plus
24.
you can do plus negative 8, yeah.
Plus 24x squared.
And then negative 4 times 6 is 24, but it's technically a negative, right?
Yeah.
Gotta watch out for that. Now, hold on, wait. We gotta get standard form.
Ooh, 24x.
Thanks, I didn't finish writing, did I? Nice. Good catch, Jay. So negative 4x times 6 is negative 24x. Now, hold on. Do you guys see any like terms up there?
Yes.
Me too. But that's it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, question. Josh, who goes first when we write this in standard form?
Sorry. Negative 8x squared
That's perfect.
minus 8x.
Because 16x and negative 24x will leave us with negative 8x. And then, Alan, what's the last part left? You got the
Last part, because the x's, you got 48.
Oh yeah, the
right?
48, huh?
And that's it.
That's great.
Okay. I was
Does that
just
make sense,
confused about,
Josh?
like the switching.
Yeah, the order is different, right? But we can still do the same process. No big deal.
Wait, Miss Dewey,
Yeah, 8.
what did you put the x beside 48 or no?
Which one? Oh, with 48?
Yeah.
That's just a little plus afterwards, sorry.
Oh.
I put minus, and then I was showing that subtraction is adding a negative, so it was like that, and then I just put a plus.
Oh.
If there was an x, though, you would have been totally right. Number 42, kiddos, just for sake of simplicity, as far as like my being able to do it fast and easy, I'm going to go ahead and quickly do the distributive way, which says 6b squared has to go with 4, and it has to go with negative 5b. Uh-oh, am I going to have enough room to write this all the way out? Struggle. So maybe I should, hold on, maybe I should set it up like that nifty vertical way we had a second ago that kind of spread things out a bit, huh? That way I have more room.
apart.
Stop. Coming back. Do I like the 4 minus 5b being written that way? No. What would be a better way of writing 4 minus 5b? Still legal, but different. I could do negative 5b plus 4. Now it's written a little bit more normal, right, Josh? Like when it's written weird, we kind of get messed up. So we can rewrite it. And we end up with a negative 36 when we multiply 4 times negative 9, an 8v when we multiply 4 times 2, a 24v squared. You guys tracking okay? So far, he's gone to everybody. Now it's negative 5v's turn, which would be, put a 0. 45v, positive. Negative 10v squared, are we okay? And then negative 30v cubed.
Oh wait, slow down. I can't keep
I'm pausing right now. What did I do? I took the negative 5v to everybody, right? Now what's nice about this method, we can just go ahead and add down.
Add them up.
Or subtract. Negative 36 plus 0 is negative 36. 8 and 45, that's a v. 53. 24 minus 10 is 14v squared. Is anybody following me? Do you agree? Good. Does that make sense, Josh?
Yeah. It's just for me.
Nope.
Like, I don't know.
Remember when we're combining like terms? Think of it this way, like simple things, like 2 apples, 3 apples, 5 apples. The label stays the same. So 8v plus 45v is 53v. It just v is the label at the end. Does that make sense, Fanny? We only change exponents when we're multiplying or dividing or raising to a power, like chapter 6. All right, guys, we are going back to notes as soon as Josh asks his question. Go ahead, bud.
Well, on the quiz or the test,
Yeah.
will you have us, will
Have
you
to
like,
do a certain method?
yeah,
No. Technically, you are allowed to use a preferred method, but make sure that you are really, really good at one. Does that make sense?
but are you saying, but will you have it like how it said on the homework, it said find it, use distributive property and then use table?
I'll say something like find the product, and I'll probably put in parentheses using whichever way you want. Does that make sense? I just care if it gets right. Jay, let's go ahead and stop dropping stuff, okay?
But you can do it different ways if like
Yes.
there's problems that you want to
Yeah. I won't force you to stay with one way. All right, kiddos, I'm turning to notes as... Oh, sorry, it was a question on the problem. Jordan, go ahead.
What was number 26?
Oh, let me actually go look at it real fast. All right, kiddos, notes open, new section, section 7.3. I'm going to go check out 26 real fast for Jordan. But otherwise, we are, you guys can already see it, 7.3. The note's open, word for word. 2016? It was the nasty fraction one. Here it is right here.
What was the answer? I have it. I just.
Z
Z
squared
answer.
minus 2/3 minus 5/3 would be minus 7/3. Z. And then plus 10/9.
Finally, 7.3.
7 what?
7/3 because you add the 2, 5/3 and
Oh,
2/3.
because it's the common denominator.
Yeah. But then for the last, you have to multiply. So 5 times 2 is 10, and 3 times 3 is 9. So 10 Negative 10 for negative is a positive. All right, cool kids, here we go. 7.3. Once again, we are going to learn today how to not kill puppies. And hopefully what we learn today will keep you from killing them in your future math
I've
classes.
eaten a puppy.
Oh, no, you haven't.
I mean the cow time.
That makes
Okay,
sense.
I eat
That
both.
makes sense. I mean, that's not my
I've
language.
eaten chicken before.
I went to a Matador fight and my friend
Yeah?
asked me.
I've eaten a dog.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? I've eaten dog soup.
It was actually
Did you
really
really?
good. I don't
Dog soup
like
is actually
it.
really good. I've eaten chicken before.
I mean, guinea pigs.
I went to an Asian restaurant.
None of y'all eat
Alg1AB.
it was nothing else like carrots.
All right, come back.
Dog soup. That sounds nasty, dude.
None of y'all eat that.
Chicken feet is a delicacy in like
Chicken
Chicken feet are disgusting.
Nasty stuff.
Malaysian.
I've had a sloth.
I ain't trying to eat their toes.
All right. The silly thing is, I didn't say eat a puppy. I said we were going to kill a puppy. We're going to stop from doing that today. So, let's come on back in. I know. I understand how we got distracted, but Kayla, Josh, Helen, Dylan, Jess, get back focused. Angel, get back focused.
Okay.
Barry, let me see your notes. How much have you written so far? Okay, let's get on it.
Let's go, baby.
Okay, section 7.3, special products of polynomials. So we're still multiplying, right? No, yeah, this is special products of polynomials.
It's the same thing.
Oh yeah, right? Whatever, it's multiplying. Why is there a whole new section if we're still multiplying? Because these are special. Now wait. If you guys see these, it's called discovery. It's in green, which means we should be able to do it. So let's just use, I don't know, use your favorite methods to solve A and B.
Green light.
Just go for it. Hey, that sounds good. Green light means go, right?
Yeah.
So go.
Any other color?
Yeah, that's bad. Just kill it.
All right.
Problems are written in black.
Did you guys already multiply? No
What-
talking
what is
unless you
opposite?
multiplied. Josh, have you multiplied?
I am doing it
No
right now.
talking unless you
Alright.
multiplied.
So 7 times 3.
So I'm looking at the homework and it says it's basically like x plus 8 squared, so that's
Yeah, you see it? No, wait. Don't spoil it though. Okay, so x plus 7, x minus 4, x minus 4. I'm going to give you guys 30 more seconds,
so
and then
bad at
I'm going to
multiplying.
show the answers to see if
So
you can
bad.
beat me using your favorite method. Why don't you write down
Oh,
this
this is easy. I know how it works now.
It always seems easy.
Angel, did you already multiply?
Yes.
Alright, which method did you use, bud?
Wait, I was gonna do it.
Okay, keep
X
going.
times 7.
Keep going. Caleb, you got it? Okay, I want you guys to raise your hands real fast if you're using the table. Okay, alright. If you're using foiling.
I'm done.
Okay, back here.
I'm doing terrible.
If you're using distributed, let me see. Okay.
Oh, I don't know
They're
what's
kinda
my way.
similar,
I
right? I
don't
think
know.
it's foiling.
Okay.
Alright, now let me go ahead and write down the answers real fast. This is technically yesterday, so why is it a new section?
Because.
because it's x plus 7.
You guys good?
Ask for a pen. Here's a pen.
So then we're multiplying. And let's focus back on it. Rob, you're good. The final answer should have been double check x squared plus 14x plus 49, right?
Yes.
Double check.
Let's go.
Find your mistake. You used your preferred method, not on this one.
I messed up too. Did you mess up?
Instead of
It's,
14x
okay,
squared,
so what I did is 7 plus
14x,
7
I got
instead of 7
14x
plus 7.
squared because I
Did that.
Yeah, do you see what you did? Remember how? Hold on, Josh. Thanks. So, Aiden, remember when we said when we multiply, when we put them together, combine like terms, you don't change the exponent? Now I'm just going to do foiling for sake of making it fit all nice and pretty. But, there's my smile, there's my nose, There's my other I. Okay, when you put these two together, you're doing a great job of putting together, but remember, 7x plus 7x is 14x. We're not multiplying, the exponent doesn't change, okay? And then we box it in and we're
Wait, so you
done.
don't multiply the variable?
Yeah, we don't multiply the variable. We are combining like terms. So we're saying how many x's? 7. Plus how many x's? 7. How many total? 14. Wait, total what? X's. Oh, 14x. Does that make sense? It's like our apples and oranges example, exactly. Just like that. So 7 plus 7 is 14. Now, on letter B, let me go ahead and quickly write that final answer. Let's check that one too. How'd you guys do with negatives? Does that make sense, Kim?
Yeah.
First.
Alright, how'd you guys do? X squared minus 8x plus 16? All your signs were okay?
It's not minus 16?
Nope. Why? Double check. X times x is x squared. There's my smile. A negative 4x, right? Subtraction is adding a negative. Inside, the nose.
Oh, okay.
Another negative 4x, and then you see it, and negative times a negative is a...
Positive.
Got it. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Well, some of us are probably still thinking, why on earth is there a whole section for this, right?
Yeah.
Isn't it last section?
Okay.
Okay, here's
Maybe
the
there's-
idea. Ready? Do you guys want to see how to kill a puppy?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
No, I know, it's awful. We gotta avoid it.
a puppy dies.
I cannot see it. Oh, no, no, I can see it.
Sorry, I need a page below.
Hey!
Here's a mistake. Long story short, look at the front. All right, my guys. Look at the front. The sign says bad math what?
Kill.
Okay. It's a silly way of remembering, but it's not silly at all because these poor little animals are dying every time math students all over the country make mistakes. Ready? Here's how to kill.
Is it really? Maybe like Bigfoot or something.
Here's how to kill a puppy. Ready? If you say that x plus 3 squared is x squared plus 9,
Oh.
poor little puppy's gone.
It's not.
No, wait. Hold on, wait.
Wait,
Doesn't this look right?
No.
Doesn't need to do x.
I failed.
Alright.
X squared
Some of you
plus.
are thinking back and forth. Diego raised his hand up, so let's go ahead and listen to what he's thinking. Diego, why is this wrong?
Because you need to multiply 2 by x and
How many x plus 3s?
uh,
So we're gonna write x plus 3. Now guys, we have to figure out why is this so bad. And it is, it's awful. And guys, my higher, remember? The kids who are doing crazy calculus, they're making the same mistake all the time.
Wow.
That's why I had to make signs for it. And the poor little puppy's raising his hand like, save me. Okay, so what do we do?
Wait, doesn't the
Class.
doesn't the exponent distribute into both
A
x?
class pet.
Will be x.
No,
Wait,
what would that mean?
First of all, do you guys agree?
I'll take
Hold
care
on,
of
hold
the
on.
person.
I know, we're talking about puppies now, but come back to the front.
I'll take care of the
Aiden,
person.
focus. Caleb,
He won't
focus.
sit on it.
Caleb, focus. Aiden, we good? Okay. Does the orange circle make sense? Is x plus 3 squared x plus 3 times x plus 3?
I get it.
It is, right?
Yeah.
So hold on, wait a minute. We know how to do this. Why are silly, really smart calculus kids making this mistake? How do we multiply x plus 3 times x plus 3?
Well, you do what we just did.
Yeah, exactly. Can I use foiling? You guys did tables and stuff.
Got it.
If I use foiling, what's x times x? X squared. Oh, so that part's right. If I use outer, what's that? 3x. If I use inner, what's that?
3x.
3x. And if I use last, what's that? Okay, so this was kind of right, and that's why they get confused. But it was kind of wrong. What should be the actual full answer? Guys, keep going.
X squared plus 6x plus 9.
So, do you see the difference? What is this one missing?
6x.
Exactly. Now, hold on. But at the very beginning, some of you were like, what's wrong with it? I don't get it. It looks good.
That was only me.
No, Jane, I promise you, there's so many kids that make this mistake in my higher math classes. So we're gonna learn it really good today so that we are not those kids later. Sound good? However, hold on. Angel and Barry, looking at the front, which one do you think looks more confusing, guys? it written with exponents or it written out the long way? Which
Wrong
one?
way.
Which
No,
one?
no, exponents.
Exponents are more confusing. Do you know why? Don't they cause the mistake? Hopefully you guys know foiling so well that if you were to see just this problem, like you did at the beginning of class, you understood how to do it. So, let's go ahead and talk about squaring a binomial. And I'll take questions while you guys start writing word for word. Word for word.
When you
Jordan,
do
Jen, Kaylee, Jackie, word for word.
isn't it all you do is you add the number by itself. Like so that was x plus 3, so you do 3 plus 3.
And that's the
And then-
pattern we're going to see.
And then you multiply it.
So then check out the shortcut formula, Jordan. That's what you can do.
That's because I remember learning this and I remember that you can do it mentally.
Exactly. And you can do it mentally, but to be honest, guys, for my older kids,
I mean, it's easier writing out.
I just have them write it out so they never make the mistake.
Because then
Now,
they're just doing it's just adding and multiplying.
Exactly.
Good job.
so hold on, let me catch everyone up with where we are, alright? Yeah,
I got what she said.
That is 7.3.
this is 7.3 part 1. This is 7.3 part 1. Alright, now, do you guys see the a plus b squared, the binomial squared?
I'll show you.
Yes.
He's going to show up in problems now, and we have to know how to deal with them. Now, we can use the old-fashioned stuff from 7.2.
I don't get it.
Now, I'm going to go ahead, hold on, bud.
On your mind, I do get it.
Hold on. Regular methods. That could be a table, right? Wasn't that how we solved in 7.2? Or we could use foiling,
Or we could use distributed property.
or we could use distributed. And then didn't we also learn at the very end that vertical way that kind of makes things all nice and lined up?
Yeah.
I just put vertical. So we can totally use last section's methods and get it right, I bet, almost every time. But what does it take? This is why my kids are making mistakes on it. They're lazy and they think they can do things really fast, and that's not necessarily bad because they can do a lot fast, but what are they ignoring, and this is why they get it wrong? They're not rewriting it. If you rewrite this and use the old-fashioned methods, guys, if you rewrite it as a plus b times a plus b and use the old-fashioned methods from 7.2,
You'll get it right.
you'll get it right
Because
every
it's
time. I won't judge. Actually, I'll be like, hey, good job. Way to look out. It'll be awesome. Now, I am going to show you the shortcut formula because the book shows it, and it is a cool shortcut if you learn it really, 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 really good for forever. But a lot of kids don't learn it really, really good for forever, and they forget it.
Stop.
So one more time. Can we solve this using old methods? Oh, yeah. And we'll get it right every time. And we'll show up those silly calculus kids that are making mistakes.
So we're ahead of them?
Well, no. As long as we do it right. every
Until
time.
they show us one problem.
Yeah, the stuff they're using this math with is kind of scary. But hold on, wait. I need to show you the shortcut
problem
formula
fills up
just
the
in
whole
case you like it, alright? Okay?
Reals.
The shortcut, wait, David. Let me show you the shortcut formula, okay? The shortcut formula says, in order to do a plus b squared, ready? Can I use words real fast? Okay. This is, guys in the front. This is called the first, right? Isn't this the first term of my binomial a plus b?
Yes.
Okay. What could I call b? Second, or can I just say last? Like it is the last of the two, right?
Yeah.
It's kind of true.
Here's how I just see the formula. You square the first, or you could say first squared. Remember, not times 2. Not times 2. We know exponents. First squared. We can say 2 times the first times the last. 2 times the first times the last, or we could also say, let me zoom in on this. We can also say double the first times the last. And then last but not least, we can say last squared.
Or would you only put the parentheses around the A and B on the first time?
Oh, I just kind of do it to show, like you do the first times the last and then double. That's how my mind sees it. So I'm kind of showing you like 10 dots. That's cool. That is a shortcut. Can I show you how the shortcut works on a problem? Is that cool?
Yeah.
I mean, these are
Oh,
a minus symbol,
your example?
a minus symbol, a minus symbol.
A minus sign?
Instead,
Oh, instead of a plus?
Yeah.
Same thing, but you might just have a negative. Let me show. Do you want me to do a minus example? Let's do number 2. We'll do an example with a minus, just because time is running short. Ready?
Wait, no.
We could, now wait. We could just do x minus 4 times x minus 4, and guys, why is this such a good idea?
Because it works every time.
easier.
Okay, to write at a
It's
time,
easy.
we won't make the mistake,
Right.
but
It's x squared plus.
okay, wait. But let me try the formula first. Some of you guys are doing it the old-fashioned way, and I know you know that, okay? So let's do the formula. Ready?
You just add this.
You take the first, and what do you do with it?
X squared.
Square it.
Plus
You wait. You do 2 times. Who's the first? X. Now here's where it gets tricky. Kaylee, why did you say -4?
Because it's minus 4, x minus 4 is 1.
Yeah, and subtraction is adding a negative.
Why?
So wait, the formula
Just
says
to make it easier, you could put
first
plus.
squared. Wait, hold on.
That's just
We did a fairly good job. We take 1 more minute because of our distractions today. We do 2 times the first times the last, which we did. And then we go ahead and say the last squared. Who's the last?
-4
Squared. So let's see if this would,
Wait, can't you do it the other way?
yeah. Now some of you are like, but, I can do it the old way.
How's this a shortcut? It's so long.
Well, you gotta get used to it. Shortcuts aren't always shortcuts until you learn them how to do them like that.
That's what you're punishing. So you should give a
Can't
short
you
ones
just
that's
do it
actually
that
like
way?
longer.
Yeah.
Always think he's better. Right?
Now, Caleb, hold on.
Can't you do it the other way?
We have people saying, but, okay, that's great and all. I'm glad you showed this to me. Maybe you're not glad. But, one more time. What am I saying as the calculus teacher? Is the shortcut the best way?
No.
Not unless you get really, really good at it. Otherwise, what am I saying is the best way?
Normal way.
But wait, how do you get to the normal way without making a mistake? What's the very first thing you have to do?
You rewrite it.
Okay. So tonight, in homework, can you try to get really good at the shortcut? Oh yeah. Can you just rewrite it and solve it the old-fashioned way?
Yeah. Of course you
Okay,
can.
wait. Our goal tomorrow is to check our homework and get every single one right. Whichever way we do. If the book says shortcut, I don't care if you do it the old-fashioned way. Take a picture. Get out of here. I'll see you guys later. Go have lunch. Adios. Adios. For a If you have questions, come back and fight me.
Adios, amigo.
I did the homework yesterday. Ava, wait, crap.
Thank you guys.
I did that.
The shortcut's good. You got it? I'm just showing you because so many people forget the shortcut, like next year, year after. So I say, oh, you got shortcut if you don't like it. Does that make sense? So don't worry, shortcut's good. Yeah. So you don't lose it for time. See if you're missing one?
Yeah.
Do you know
And I
how to
have
find
like
what's on my
0.
website?
I think so. And also the word out of there. I wasn't doing it when I first started.
The notes, I would say tonight, see if you can get on my website to access the notes, because that can just even, I don't mind if you put it, like maybe in the back of your notebook, that way it's separate. That's totally fine. Put it in the back and then you can hand it to me like Jackson did right now, hand it to me after class and then pick it up at the end of the day. See if you can find it, and if you can't, just email me and say, I need to be able to find the notes, and I'll send you a link. Is that cool? You know what I email me?
Yeah.
Cool. And then, at the same time, there's something missing. Oh, I'm looking at my web, it hasn't really done Okay, send me an email, so like, can I have a list of my missing work, and I can give you, like, I'll probably send you a document that has the homework numbers with the assignments, and I'll tell you what numbers to do.
Okay.
Is that cool? That'll help out your grade a lot, thanks, Amy.
Thank you.
Look online. Well, actually, no, it's there.
This is
Oh, it's so
Right,
good.
that's more disgusting. What's up, y'all? Obviously, disgusting person will be
Well, wait, student.
Teachers were the ones that were like it.
So I was like, that's why you take it easy. Because I made asthma.
Ow.
Oh, yeah.
So where is this?
Okay, so it's at this.
Sorry, not allowed to talk about it. Or you can just text it to me if you don't want to remember.
Is that
You're not gonna know where it is. So.
R-O-O-N?
That's really good though. I don't think anyone can practice it.
There are just a few things that I can show you in directions.
That's what I'm saying.
So it's in a place that is indoors. It's to the east,
And come back
and
in
it's to the right of Walking
Is
Yard.
that okay, Johnny?
Okay, I
Think
I
Rose
think-
Bowl.
Okay, I think someone just whispers it to her ear. We can.
I got it, guys.
I like this. This is fun.
Sorry, I've been
Let's make sure
delirious since second.
Okay. So we have to think of.
This was.
Okay, I want to hear Katrina.
Yeah.
For the test, for the review? Okay, good. And you were thought on that, so that can be done.
No.
No.
I feel like we can't do anything like not
Cliche, you know, like not
That's
cheesy.
not cliche,
Well, how would we do it? How would we do it?
like,
I, since I was a kid, I didn't.
And definitely not a night in Paris because
What was I
because I freaking hate people who say that. Like, oh my god, a night in Paris. Like, back off. Honestly, let's bring this
Kind of
back.
like build up to that point.
That was my
Like
idea.
that shows like the 70s show, you could change it into like a.
I said this goes with that.
Does that sound good?
Yeah.
I want to see that now on pictures.
Actually, can you hold on to your test?
Really?
like trees and like the lighting kind of dark.
You'll be right. You go get some food, okay?
Where should I come back?
That's okay.
Where should I come back?
We'll look at it real quick.
Thank you.
Lanterns. Let's go Huck Fit.
Yeah, let's go hug fish. I say a night on the raft. A night
Night on the raft.
I think
A night on the
away
raft.
from that, okay? I'm saying like, I think if we did something with like really cool lighting. I'm down. I think they do. That's why I was saying in general. Okay, I'm seeing it now. Okay. Nature lighting. Here's some pictures that I found on Pinterest
Well, we get to
that I
see
really
the.
like.
I was in second semester, so I mean, I could try it because it's already all semester. No, but it'd be really nice.
It's not far. Like if we could set up
For
a
us,
little
it's
wall
not
like
far.
this,
For us,
and have
for
people
them,
take
it's
pictures.
very
I live
far.
driving to school. It's
Oh gosh, that's actually really nice.
Right?
But that's like a wedding though.
Wait, no. Here's my
It's
thing.
very like long.
So we
and,
have.
like,
I'd be down to go, but does that
here.
for like a little photo wall area? Okay. Okay. And here,
We should go check out the.
if we get to
get like.
this was what I saw that I really liked. This is what brought me here. Okay.
that kind of looks like tingles.
I really like that. It does.
That's
I
I'm
like
right here.
What is make it really? Oh my gosh, the lighting, the little lanterns, the lanterns. That's. Okay, wait. If we want to visit like the venue,
Yeah.
just like go with this camera, because I'm guessing we probably couldn't go in around. Right, it'd have to be somewhere.
I mean, we probably can if it's.
Because I love that kind of
Say.
I'm hoping that, because I had my friend who's been helping me out, she stayed in this reading yesterday, so then finally,
So
because she knows.
our
I'm
main
busy.
responsibilities are
But,
it's the
so finally, it got to
theme.
get
It's the theme.
No, we have to come open it.
calm down.
Theme
But they-
colors.
But I said something yesterday,
Theme
I
and
was like,
colors.
finally got to
We
the
have to
point
decide
where
if
it
we
was,
want
and I
to
can't
clean
read
it.
it
How we're gonna do that.
so.
Why? What is it?
She knows her
Okay.
names, and she probably
For the very Katrina said.
She has a list, and she's
Yeah,
like,
that
writing
was-
down, so that got
That made my week. That was so funny.
I did the last one. I laughed for so long. Because it said the memories on fire because nothing says good memories quite like hers.
The best part was like random that actually teaches
I'm like, if I can get out of this.
Pretty cool, like
Can you
Confetti and
Well, what if we did, you know those confetti eggs when we crowned them, just squeeze the confetti eggs on
Oh, like from there.
Alright, okay, something else that I had.
Oh, we also have.
Okay, I just logged in. I'm trying to log into this because I need to find out what these journals are.
Okay.
Can I see real life?
Oh, yeah.
So these are the
Oh, I love teaching algebra 1. It was more. So there's some of those questions that
And
we
then I
probably need
said
to
photo
follow.
wall because that's the thing. Everyone does photos. That's like something that everyone does. So that's why I was like, you can have like a photo wall and a photo booth.
And I feel like we haven't done
Oh,
well
so you want to do their own?
And they want to have it themselves so that they can have it on their phone.
Right, so that in between.
And then if they have a booth, they can
Multiply by 10.
Okay. I was thinking, are we gonna do? I've never been.
And I'm not sure parent recommendations if we need to be.
Do you want me to ask Chris?
Wait.
I know she would.
That's something I don't think we've done very much of in the
No.
sense of like we
Okay.
just
And
kind of
then there's actually another thing that.
system and then like
So this is what they did last year. Is
there's
that
certain ones
the
that only
school-
make it.
I can't remember if it was the school or I'm pretty sure it was the school, but they made the student council put up a set list for the DJ. And what happened, I heard, was is that the DJ didn't follow it. So if we're gonna, he just did whatever he wanted. So if we're gonna make a set list, we better make sure that the
Thank you.
DJ
You're
uses
welcome.
it. Cause it's gonna be friggin' fire.
You said you wanted to ask people when they bought
As
the tickets,
people
right?
came to buy the tickets, have them write down the song request so that people are getting the music they want.
I
Yeah.
agree with
And then
that,
we're gonna
but
have to-
also
we-
disagree with that because I feel like that gives too much power to them. Because then that, and
Well,
then.
obviously, it's gonna, we're
We
gonna
have,
edit what they
yeah, we
say.
have to preview.
Well, you know, yeah, of course, but then we have to go through all of it.
I wouldn't mind doing that.
And it's
Yeah.
I mean,
We
honestly,
can just
and
divide it up.
we definitely have our own
We just
ideas.
divide it up.
Like, I'm definitely down for some Depeche Mode.
Wait, what is it? What is it? Hey, the DJ can play the party song. Oh,
Oh,
yes,
yeah.
it was on the list.
We should just put that on just cause.
We should do Reese's.
People think it's Uptown Funk, but no, it's
No,
Uptown Funk.
That's
on the list.
our follow.
I definitely need to get on the loose because I promised my friend that I would get a Kenji song on there.
No.
Thanks for coming in. I appreciate it. I know that takes time.
Well, I'm sorry to skip it, but I will be back. And hopefully
So
the
you need to find out what they did.
because I shadowed
So
it,
if
which
we
means
want to do that
hopefully I will
activity
be free.
there, like at prom,
We'll
we
see.
can give out prizes. Miss Dean, we're gonna do this thing called like the ping pong. Can I log into her email again? It's okay, I don't care if people see. Wait,
Why are
what?
you logging in?
She's
No
like,
shame.
She's showing her grades.
Yeah, no, I need to find, you know you're still recording?
Hey, do you want me to record your grades?